Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Khushi. So today I'm going to tell you how to make a face cream which is made from red lentils. This is also called masoor dal in Hindi. This cream will help you treating acne problem, remove patches, dark spots and suntan, and it will make your skin tighter by removing early signs of aging and wrinkles. It will also lighten and brighten your skin and will help giving you a radiant and natural glow. Red lentils are packed with protein which can work wonder for your skin. Be it stubborn tan, signs of aging, wrinkles, acne, rough skin or pigmentation, red lentils are one-stop solution to all your skin problems. Red lentils have tons of antioxidants which prevent and minimize cell and tissue damage that leads to most of your skin problems. Let me show you now how you can prepare this face cream at home. Before I start, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification of my videos. So here I have taken 2 tablespoons of red lentils. I have washed it thoroughly 3-4 times so that all the dirts and impurities can be washed away. So this is very first important task. You need to make sure that these are properly washed. Now I am adding 1 cup of pure filtered water into this. And then I am going to soak it overnight. So here red lentils are soaked overnight and now I am going to grind it in a grinder. So I have grinded this in a very fine paste like this. Now I'm going to separate the excess water into a separate bowl. So here our final paste is ready. You can see the consistency should be like this. Alright, so I have transferred the paste into a separate bowl and I'll add few more ingredients into this paste. So the first I'm taking fresh aloe vera gel. You can take any aloe vera if you have. So here it's like 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel which I am going to add in this mixture. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerine and 1 teaspoon of rose water. So the next I am adding 2 capsules of vitamin E oil. You can add any vitamin E oil if you have. So at last I am adding few drops of lemon essential oil. You can add any essential oil. Mix all these ingredients very well. Aloe vera helps reducing infection and acne and fights skin aging. It also helps soothing sunburn and helps to moisturize the skin. Glycerin helps reducing appearance of wrinkles and makes skin soft and smooth. It also improves skin function to slow down aging. Rose water helps maintaining your skin's pH balance and control excess oil, clean pores and tone the skin. Vitamin E oil helps reducing wrinkles, hyperpigmentation and fine lines. It moisturizes and nourishes your skin. Mixing all these ingredients together can work magically on your skin and can help you solving all your skin problems. So our cream is ready now. You need to take an airtight container and transfer the mixture into the container. You can store this cream in refrigerator and use until 1 week, and after 1 week make fresh cream. Apply this cream every night after washing your face. So I have washed my face here. I'm going to apply this cream. So guys, while applying this cream, you will see that few particles of this cream are left over on your face. So you need to gently rub and remove that away. Regular use of this cream will help you achieving a soft, natural and radiant glow. Immediately after applying this cream, you will feel a very well hydrated and moisturized face. So use this cream guys and share your feedback if you like this cream. So that's all for my today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Till then, bye.